what we're going to make now is a Jardiniere, and this is a pot that you would put, it's a decorative pot that you put already planted plants into. So this leaves, you can fire it to stoneware temperatures, or you can fire it to lower temperatures because you're not going to be using it, you're not going to plant directly into it. It's strictly for decorative purposes. So you want to start with a nice wad of clay, about 2 pounds. You want to give it a good wedge. All right. Check your wedge. See if you're doing it well. Yep, minor little air bubble right there, and a fold right there. So, get it. Do this. Get a real good wedge on it. And you see what's happening here? It's folding in on itself, folding in on itself, folding in on itself. And if you're doing it right, you won't have any problems along the way. That little part right there was going to go up towards the sky, and you're going to establish a new bottom, which is going to go on the bat, on the wheel head. So here we got our ball of clay ready. We get our tools ready, and we're ready to do this.